we'll go from there. Okay, so we are recording. Okay, this is exercise page number E76. So we've already done the alterations. Take care of your font. You can adjust the size if you want. Here, C6. So instruction number 2, it says do the sum equals sum. You can do auto sum, but I don't recommend it. C colon 27. Okay, and then, oops, not C colon, C27, C27, then the colon, and then N46. So N46. Okay. All right. So it should display 9,880,800. That looks about right. Okay. So in C9, enter the formula. Okay, so let's go to C and then 9. We're going to enter equals C6. All right. And that is, we're going to subtract it from a set. So that's what the parenthesis is for. C7 plus C8 plus C8. Oops, C8. Okay. That's going to calculate the current year's net profit and loss. And then we're going to copy the formula to C9 and then paste it in D9. So C9 is there, copy, D9, paste. So what that did is it just moved everything over. So if you see C6 here, okay, and it's C7 plus C8, and if you look over here, it already changed it for the D column. So it automatically pilots it in. All right, so let's calculate the further down. So C16, so let's find C16. C16, all right. We're going to enter the following formula. Equals C6 divided by C23. C6 divided by C23. All right. Now in C17, we're going to calculate equals C7 divided by C23. C7 divided by C23. Oops, I forgot one thing. Equals. All right. Now in C18, so let's just see if this will work. All right. Nope, that one didn't work. What did I do wrong? Oh, C8 divided by C23. I was trying to cheat. It didn't work. It caught me. Okay. So C9. Okay. C19 is equals C9 divided by C23, right? Yep. Okay, and then we skip. We go to C this one. C11 divided by C23. All right. And then C22 is equals C12 divided by C23. All right. That's that one. Now for number 7, copy the formulas and then paste them into the range. Okay. So basically we take this, copy it, and then we're going to paste it over. So if we look at this range, yep, there we go. And that's all correct. All right, fantastic. Okay. And then click and deselect the range. All right, so that one's good. So in E6, let's scroll up, E6. We're going to enter the formula equals C6 minus D6, okay? Equals C6 minus D6. Okay, there we go. And then F of 6 is going to be the following formula, equals parenthesis C6 minus D6, close parenthesis, divided by D6. That gives us a percentage. All right, now we're going to get to copy all of these down, right? All right, copy, and then we'll paste it through F6. Right. Select non-adjacent, E7 through F9, so E7 through F9, all right. And then E12 through F, okay. No, darn. Okay, copy. All right. And then E16, let me go in here, yep. Okay, and does it do F23? Yes. There's a problem. Why did it do that? Give me this one. Here and here. Let's just do that. Oh, why did it reselect that? Pixel that. Nope. I don't know why it's doing that. All right. Do it the hard way. Copy. Paste. Do it this way. And paste. Okay. All right. So holding the control key, it's kept giving me that weird error. I don't honestly know why. So, but we have our correct data here. All right, now we can change the name. Okay. So click on the name of the box. We can skip that. You can auto sum, check the formulas. Formulas are good. Okay. For sales, no, we can skip that. All right. So let's do this one. So I'm selecting here. I want to change the amount of decimals. So number, this is a percentage, 3%. So what I did is I went in here, I did right click, format cells. I go to the number, percentage, and then I went to 3 decimal places. You can do 2 if you want, and just do that. 3, if you're really looking at accounting, I would always recommend 3, but 2 is completely respectable on this one. I shouldn't have done that because there's data below. So here's what I'll do. We'll do here, and then we'll just highlight that and then change that to 3, and then we're good. And that way I didn't mess with any of the information that's below it. Okay. And all of this is accounting, or you can say currency. Currency, net change, it's currency, 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 and unit sold, customer served, that's all statistical data. This one should not be percentage, this one should be a general net number. Okay. All right, so that's that. All right. So if you wanted to do alignments, here's what I can recommend. I'm just going to do an example of sales statistics. Okay, click it. You can adjust it up. Let me make this bigger so you can see. I really don't like you today. There we go. Okay. So if I wanted to adjust it, this is obviously the justification, left, right, center. Okay, I want it centered. This goes, mounts it to the height, to the very top, to the middle, or to the bottom. We can always change it to do that. Vertical text, you'd obviously have to really adjust it to make it fit. Wrap text, okay, I wouldn't recommend that, doing that, but or you can literally go to this little box and then you can change how you're going to do it. Shrink to fit, don't merge cells, bottom indent, top indent, distributed. And you can change how you want it to look. Okay. You can adjust what the book says, just as long as you're doing the calculations correct. That's what I really care about in this. Okay, top alignment. So orientation, we covered that. Just a quick review. So if you want to make adjustments, go to format, and then you can change what it looks like. Okay, that's just that one. You can do here through here. Let me format the table and let's make it green. Okay, you don't need to have the column names. You can delete that function out if you want, but it makes it interesting. You can change it so it looks like this too. And if you want, you can change the individual colors for it. It's within the design. Remove the duplicates. You can create a pivot table. That's going to be covered further later down the line. Formulas, I've already kind of talked about that one. Page layout, everything else is on the home. Don't worry about conditional formatting. We're not going to deal with that yet. Okay, and you guys have any questions, let me know.